All right, guys, hope you have an amazing day. Now, in this video, I just wanted to cover a common question I get when I speak to e-commerce owners every day looking to grow with paid traffic. And that is, what should be my minimum ad spend? Now, a really good place to start for brands looking to grow with paid ads is $100 a day. Now, this gives you enough money to cover remarketing, which is a must when you start running ads, but still leaves a bit of money for prospecting. Now, obviously, your budget will also depend on whether you have any traffic to remarket to begin with. So if you are just getting started, I highly suggest instead of spending money on paid ads, focus your time and money on improving your product, getting customer feedback, and making sure your funnel or website conversion rate is good. Now, a very good way to start collecting feedback is to create a post-purchase survey and add that to your email drip. Now, this also helps you pinpoint those pain points in your copy. Now, since I am in the fashion industry, we usually suggest a 3% conversion rate if your average order value is under $200. Now, the more expensive and higher your profit margins are, the lower your conversion rate can be to turn a profit. Now, if you simply meet these requirements and have a proven product, plus you got a bunch of feedback from people you don't know of, and know your mum's opinion doesn't count, then you can start spending money on ads. Now, remember that you still need to set these ads up correctly and not boost them from your mobile app or newsfeed. That is definitely not the right way to run Facebook ads efficiently. So the first campaigns you first want to run are never really scalable, okay? Which is why we usually suggest waiting until you have a budget to spend at least $50 to properly make the use of Facebook ads. So if you are looking to spend a small amount like $50 a day, these are 3 KPIs that we like to follow. The first one being creating a $5 a day campaign that you can add all of your blog posts to and then target marketing audiences from there. Now, this consists of website visitors and social engagements, whether that would be Facebook or Instagram. The second one being creating a $5 a day campaign targeting people who have added a product to their cart but didn't check out. So the third one being is creating another $5 a day campaign that has all of your best blog posts and then target interests closely aligned with your target customer. Now, you're probably wondering why we didn't suggest lookalikes. And that is because you need to have an audience of around 500 to 1,000 people minimum to create effective lookalike. So I hope you find this video helpful and take care.